Okay, first we're going to start off with a basic equation. You can reduce the equation before you multiply it, so you don't have to simplify your answer. And to reduce it, the number on the top and the number on the bottom have to have the same greatest common factor. In this case, the 6 and the 8 have the greatest common factor of 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives you a 3, and then the 8 divided by 2 gives you a 4. And you reduce it as much as you can, so now you just cross multiply. You get a 3 on the top and a 20 on the bottom, and that's your answer for that one. Now move down to the bottom one. The 9 and the 3 have a greatest common factor of 3, and the 9's on the top and the 3's on the bottom, so you can reduce them. So 9 divided by 3 gives you 3. The 3 divided by 3 gives you a 1. And you reduce it as much as you can, so you cross multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. And 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, now we just added variables to the equation, so it's basically the same concept. The 4 is on the top and the 2 is on the bottom, and they have the greatest common factor of 2. So the 4 divided by 2 gives you a 2. The 2 divided by 2 gives you a 1. But you could still reduce more. This is a C on the top and a C on the bottom, so they cancel each other out. And there's an A on the top and an A on the bottom, so they cancel each other out. So you cross multiply, and you get 6b on the top over 1, or your answer is just 6b. Alright, now we get to our big equation, changing 40 feet per second into miles per hour. So to do this equation, you want to change feet into miles and seconds into hours, so that's what you're going to put in these blocks. So to change feet into miles, you want to put the feet on one of the bottom blocks so the feet will cancel out in the end. So you're going to have 5,280 feet in 1 mile. And then to change seconds into hours, I'm going to put seconds on the top so the seconds will cancel out. It's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. And now you do your reducing. Okay, I'm going to start with the miles and the feet one. The feet, like I said, will cross out because one feet's on the top and one feet's on the bottom. And the greatest common factor of 40 and 5,280 is 40. So 5,280 divided by 40 equals 132. And 40 divided by 40 is 1. Now you move on to the seconds and the hours. Like I said, the seconds would cross out because one of the seconds is on the top and one of them is on the bottom. And the greatest common factor of 3,600 and 132 is 12. 3,600 divided by 12 equals 300, and 132 divided by 12 equals 11. So in the end, your end equation right now is going to be 300, and miles is the only one left since seconds and feet are crossed off. So the miles carries over 11, and the seconds and the feet are crossed off, so hours is your only one left. So hours carries over. This could be your answer, but we want to reduce it down to see how many miles is it per hour, so how many miles is in 1 hour. So you take 300 divided by 11, and you get an answer of 27.27 repeating miles per hour.